I just got the final parts in that should, hopefully, where is it? Finish up my 450 build. It's been going for a while. We got the parts in today. Just open that up, get that done. All right, here we are, one-handed here. Now, I already opened these up, kind of separated them up, but I got new Kibble White valve kit. I got valves, both of them for each side, and springs. Top end gaskets. Here she is. She's not 100%, but she's coming together. Having some front brake issues, I think, but gotta take off this cam, pull off the head, timing chain. Then I have some other stuff to do. Some of these threads are, not so great, so I gotta drill those out, put new ones in. I used the compression tester on it. I got like 30, which is about half of what it should be. You want about 60 to 75, I think. I don't know. Let's pull all that off, get those installed, get her done. Hopefully she runs. All right, got the head off. Took a little longer than I really wanted it to, but here we are. Just got to take off these valve springs, organize some things. This place is an absolute mess. I don't know what I've been doing, but this thing has a new top end in it. So yeah, let's just get into taking off these valve springs, swapping everything over. All right, got it all done. It was kind of a pain. You'd think after 3 valve jobs, I would finally just get a valve spring compressor. I probably should. It's not even that much, but we got it done with, I forget what it's called, but it's used for like drum brakes. It's a pain, honestly. I'd suggest getting one. But here we go. Valve springs on. Whoa, brand new. Hopefully it'll run that way. Let's put it back on and see. All right, so I got the bike, valves installed, everything put back together, did the compression tester, and it didn't work. Seems like the story of my life with this thing, but here we are. Next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna finish the video here. The next thing I'm gonna do is pull off the cylinder head again. Feels like the 20th time. And then I'm gonna look at the piston rings. That's my pretty much the last option before I burn this place to the ground. So with all that said, it's gonna be the end of today's video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. I'm gonna have the other video coming out doing checking the piston rings and all that and finishing this thing up and go from there.